Guys, you see how Betsy reacted to all that sound? Look at that. Oh my goodness. He knows the sound. He's looking. Not both eyes, it's just one eye. And it's not all over the eye, it's just like a little speck of white shadow to this eye here. But I don't know how to explain it. In some of the videos, when I go back and look at it, it shows like it's all over the eye, but I'm looking at it in person and it's not all over the eye, so I'm not sure. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Betsy. Say bye. Okay. You say bye. Shake your paw. Say bye. Okay, guys, you see it for yourself. She says bye. Bye. Give them a kiss. Mwah.